Oh, some doniers as usual. Look at that. The leek stew is so done. It's so good. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. And on this amazing episode, I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious leek beef stew that you will love. It is so delicious. You can have it with some rice, some ugali, depends on what you have, but it's so delicious. Stay tuned guys, give me that like, share this video. Let's get started. For that amazing dinner that you want to surprise your loved one, this is a secret. I call it leek. It is so healthy. It is good for you. I know most people use it as an onion, but actually it is a good vegetable for you to use with your meat, and you're going to love it. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you the ingredients first. We have the meat, we have the paprika for spices. Of course, you have black pepper, some salt, some oil to garnish, some dania as usual. So the first thing we're going to do is heat our pan and put some oil on it. So let it really get hot, and then after that you put some oil. Once your oil is hot, put in your meat. And then cook it on medium heat. You cover it and let it cook on low heat for 15 to 30 minutes. After it has removed a bit, cooked a bit, just put a bit of onions in it, let it cook. At this stage, if you want to put tomatoes, you can put tomatoes, depends on you. So let it cook slowly. As that is cooking, we're going to work on our leek. This is what happens. I like cutting it like this on the side. Once I cut like that, and then I'm able just to dice just like this. So we're gonna add this to our meat. It's already done. It has been cooking for over 30 minutes on low heat. So you come in and put your leek. Going to put a bit of salt, some black pepper, I love some paprika, so I've got some paprika. and any other spice that you may have. So this is done. We're just going to add a bit of garlic mince. Just give it that nice taste and let it cook for around 5 minutes. So we're going to put some water on it, 1 cup of water, half a cup of water, sorry. Gonna give it half a cup of water and then let it boil, and you have your amazing leek stew, leek beef stew. So good. So to have that amazing leek stew that I really love, what I do is I add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with some 3 tablespoons of water, and then I mix this up. It has this mixture. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and some 3 tablespoons of water. You mix, and then we're going to pour this on our stew so that it has that thickness. You know, that thick stew you want to have. There you go. So it boils together. Thickens it so much and it gives it that thickness. Yummy, 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 yummy. Our stew is ready. Smells so good. Of course, I'm done here as usual. Look at that. The leek stew is so done. It's so good. Amazing, amazing. Look at that. We're going to plate this on our small plate. So we wipe it up, because I like this stew. When you have a stew that is filling, you want to have it in a small bowl so that it doesn't fall off. So we're gonna put that in there. There you go. It's so good, so yummy. Here we are. Good, amazing leek stew. Amazing. Look at this, a nice simple dinner meal for you and your loved one. Make this and they will definitely love it. I'm gonna have a taste. I'm into stews. As you know, all Kikuyus, we like gadufu, so here we are. Of course. So if you don't know what I said, I'm gonna blow a bit. Okay. It's so soft, so rich. I love it. Wow. Love this amazing leek stew. Has a bit of spice, so it's really coming through. And when it's cold, when it's a simple dinner, any side, you can have any side that you want, chapati, some rice, some ugali, anything. You will love it. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my episode. Make sure to follow step by step how I made this, and you're gonna love it. So stay tuned for more. Bye bye.